MiniMax only released less than 12 hours ago, and I already done extensive tests and generations, and I'm generally impressed about this model. But the number one biggest complaint I hear from people is how slow this model is. And for the reference, for RTX 4090, which is this CloudForm used, for a 1 megapixel, which is a slightly above 720p, to generate 8 seconds will take you well over 20 minutes and beyond. And that is not acceptable. So in this video, I will fix that. What if I tell you there's a way I can increase the speed by almost 50%? You don't have to take my words for it. Let's run a comparison. So this is an official ComfyUI workflow. And let's just, because I'm on the cloud, so I can run 2 workflows in parallel, and let's go. Now let's send it off. So the setting is 1 megapixels, 8 seconds, and running 25 steps. All right, let's go. And now it starts generates. And this one is the improved speed workflow. All right, and then technically this can improve the speed up to 50%, and exactly same settings. 1 megapixels, 8 seconds, and running 25 steps. All right, and then let's send it off again. Control Enter. All right, so now I'm running 2 in parallel, and let's see how we go. All right, guys, now it's 6:49 a.m. and the 2 video has generated. And let's compare the time difference. Can I make this a bit bigger? All right, so the one with original ComfyUI official workflow run 21 minutes, and with speed the speed workflow run 10 minutes. Well, let's download it and compare the quality. All right, and by the way, guys, I think I made a mistake. I put on a different prompt for 2 generations. So, but let's just compare apple to oranges on quality. All right, 8 seconds. Oh, 720p. So this is the one that takes 21 minutes. And now let's look the one takes 10 minutes.
How long does it take to generate? How long?
Well, what do you think, guys? I think for me, I don't see any noticeable like a quality difference in between 2 generations. So I would say the speed workflow is definitely a win. This is probably a very big discovery for this model. And what is the notes that made the video generation speed to increase 100% without losing any quality? Drum rolls, it's just a SageAttention KJ node, and I give every credit to my good friend Michael to discover this and share it with me. And Michael, if you're watching this video, thank you for your contribution to our society. So just adding another notes in between your models, which is the fusion models and your basic guider, and include a SageAttention KJ nodes and SageAttention set as auto. And so this is my cloud workflow. Since the test I done, the time is just too good, I will update this workflow right now, enable SageAttention, so anyone watching these videos can come here and try out this workflow with a ultra fast speed. And next step, I will be install SageAttention on my own computer. And since this video is time sensitive, I need to publish it out as soon as I can. So this video won't cover how can you install SageAttention on your local computer, because everyone's computer is different, but I'm pretty confident the SageAttention KJ nodes will increase the speed by 200% on both 4000 and 5000 serial cards. Right now, I'll be publishing this video and I will go install SageAttention on my own computer, which I haven't, so I can get the same speed boost on my local generations. All right, guys, I will leave the link of this workflow in the description. You guys can download, and don't forget to like and subscribe because I will be cooking something serious with the MiniMax H3, and the character consistency has completely been fixed, and also the scene consistency, like she's moving around in all this environment naturally without any problems. And that will be in the next video. So guys, don't forget to like and hype and subscribe and get your SageAttention installed. And if you need help, just use your large language model. I'm pretty sure Codex or Cloud Code can install it for you hands-free. But if you have any issue, install SageAttention, welcome to leave a comment in this video. And after I install it, I can share some tips and tricks to you guys too. All right, see you guys in the next video. And it's only 7 a.m. I'm super hyped. Sorry guys, I couldn't sleep. But yeah, expect more great video coming.